Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenPad 3S, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, and so I'm just going to use the home screen as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. Oops, let's try that again. There we go, you get this kind of like animation, and that's about it. Now your image can be found in the photo gallery, so let's find where that is. Not in here apparently. Gallery, there we go. You can see there is a screenshots folder. It's basically named screenshots. When you go in there, you have one image because I only captured one photo or one screenshot, and there we go. So you can see that this is a screenshot because of the volume rocker basically being visible. But yeah, that's how you capture it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.